Did you know that as an expat, you can actually own property in Dubai with full freehold ownership? For many people, moving to Dubai is about building a better future for themselves and for their family. And owning a home here in Dubai is one of the biggest steps towards that dream. And a lot of people still think that only UAE nationals can own property, but that's not true. In designated freehold area, you can own your property, you can rent it out, you can sell it whenever you choose, and even pass it on to your children. And whether it's in Business Bay, downtown Dubai, Dubai Marina, Palm Jumeirah, or Dubai Hills, you're not just buying a property, you are actually creating a long-term asset. And the good news is you don't always need to pay everything upfront, because there are mortgages and flexible developer payment plans to make owning a home more achievable. Also, if your investment qualifies, you may also be eligible for a 10-year golden visa, giving you even more stability for your future here in the UAE. I know buying property is a big decision. That's why my goal is not to pressure you into buying. It's to help you to make the right decision with confidence. So if you ever have questions or need honest advice, my door is always open. I'd be happy to help you every step of the way.